Today we are doing the last task inside our web enumeration module, which is a prerequisite of the upload vulnerabilities module, which is part of the complete beginner path that we are following on TryHackMe. So for conclusion, task number 13, we have where to go from here, recommended rooms. So we have 3 sections of the tools that we learned in this module. And we have recommended rooms for these. You see OWASP top 10, GoBuster, I think we done this. And Easy Peasy CTF, for sure we did not do that. We have for WP Scan the blog challenge, which again we did not do, but we've seen it. And then again the WASP top 10 walkthrough. We have the tools are used walkthrough and Easy CTF. These for sure are not done. We will do them, don't you worry. Okay, so this one is not done, but we done the 2021 top 10 vulnerabilities from TryHackMe. I guess we'll go through these, trying to see the date that it was posted. Was created 1,500 days ago. We can do a quick math, like 3-4 years. They are for 2017. As you can see in the WASP from 2017, this room is for 2017. Okay, now 2021 is done. We'll go through 2017 as well, because you know, knowing history is very good. History repeats itself, so you will see vulnerabilities probably again. Answer the questions below. I'll check these out. All right, for sure we'll check those out. This prerequisite to continue upload vulnerabilities module is done. And we have what the shell. This is the last prerequisite until we kick off this module. So next time we'll go through what the shell.